Advantages of routine maintenance. There are several advantages to performing routine maintenance at your facility. Routine maintenance can decrease downtime and lengthen the lifespan of equipment. When used in conjunction with a well-planned preventive maintenance program, regular routine maintenance can reduce the need for reactive maintenance. Routine maintenance helps assets and equipment working in optimal conditions, leading to fewer failures, better productivity, higher profitability, and improved safety.